Good morning students, welcome back to class 11th biology class, unit 3rd, cell, the unit of life. In some books it is given in different chapter like the named as structural organization of cell. Chloroplast is a semi-autonomous cell organelles. In cell, two cell organelles are semi-autonomous, means they have their own DNA, RNA and can replicate or make their copies. These are chloroplast and mitochondria. There are some similarities or resemblance between chloroplast and mitochondria. Both are semi-autonomous bodies, both having two unit membrane, outer smooth and permeable and inner semi-permeable and infolded. Both having similar circular and neck DNA. All the three type of RNA are found in them: messenger RNA, transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA, and they have ribosome 70S type. Both are involved in energy transductions or transformations. Both having cytochrome chain by which they form ATP. Chloroplast form ATP by photophosphorylations and mitochondria form ATP by oxidative phosphorylations. Both multiply by fission. Both are formed in eukaryotic cells only. In these organelles are not found in prokaryotic cells. So like mitochondria, chloroplasts are also regarded as semi-autonomous because of following reasons. These regions are: chloroplast have their own DNA which is capable of self-replication and transcription. 70S type of ribosome are present in chloroplast. Chloroplasts have their own enzyme and protein synthetic machinery. New chloroplasts arise from pre-existing chloroplasts or their precursor known as protoplastids. Functions of chloroplast: main function of chloroplast is photosynthesis. The process of formation of food materials by green plants in presence of sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide and water is most important function of chloroplast. Six CO2 plus 6H2 give rise to C6H12O6 means glucose, and oxygen released in this process. In this process 12 molecules are water is utilized, therefore 6 molecules remain unutilized. It takes place in presence of light and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment which is light absorptive in nature. Photosynthesis takes place in two steps: light reactions which take place in grana of the chloroplast. In light reaction, photolysis of water molecules take place to produce protons and electrons. These protons are utilized to reduce the carbon dioxide into carbohydrate in dark phase of photosynthesis, and electron provide energy for this reduction process. Dark reaction takes place in stroma or matrix of chlorophyll. Chloroplasts also play a role in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. Photon phosphorylation is a part of photosynthesis. ATP is produced in this process. NADPH2 is also produced in this process by using NADP. Hydrogen is accepted by hydrogen receptor molecules. NADP is converted into NADP H2 and electrons are received by a chain of electron receptor molecules to produce ATP. These both are utilized in dark phase of photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. The presence of chloroplast provides green color to leaves of the plants. Chloroplast also contain other pigments like carotenes and xanthophylls. These are precursors compound for many other cellular materials like vitamin A. Leucoplast. Food storing plastids are called leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are the colorless plastids which store food as carbohydrate, protein, lipids. Leucoplasts are rod-like or spheroid in shape. They occur in the embryonic cells, sex cells, and meristematic cells. Common leucoplasts are amyloplasts or starch storing plastids. Amyloplasts are filled with starch and are generally found in the storage tubers, cotyledons, and endosperms. Stored starch is of two types: assimilatory starch and reserve starch. Elioplasts are oil storing or lipid storing plastids. They store oil in most monocotyledonous and the leucoplasts after losing their chlorophyll start storing oils. Eleuroplasts are proteinioplasts or protein storing plastids found in the seeds of pulses. Now the functions of plastids. Main function of chloroplast is to prepare food by photosynthesis process. During this process, oxygen is also produced. Many special enzymes required for synthesis of fatty acids and to complete Krebs cycles are found in chloroplast. According to Hall, the DNA of chloroplast codes for chloroplast, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal protein. Chloroplast also code for certain structural protein of thylakoid membrane. Chromoplast give color to some part of plants, which is helpful for many functions such as color of flower, help to attract insects for pollination. Leucoplast help for storage of food in root. Change into chlorophyll when exposed to light. Ribosome, another cell organelle of eukaryotic cell is ribosome. Also, ribosome is also found in prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, it is 70S type, but in eukaryotic cells, ribosome is 80S type. Ribosomes are also known as protein factory of the cell because protein is standardized with the help of ribosomes. Ribosomes are a small granular bodies of ribonucleoprotein found attached to membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus are in the cytoplasm in free state. Ribosomes are membraneless organelles. They were first reported by G. Palade in animal cells. Two cell organelles, ribosome and centrosomes, are membraneless. Other cell organelles are membrane bounded cell organelles. Occurrence of ribosomes, they occur in both the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. They are formed inside the nucleolus. Origin in eukaryotes, ribosomes are partially nucleolar like the ribosomal RNA and partially cytoplasmic in origin, but in the eukaryotes they originate in the cytoplasm. A structure of ribosome. Ribosomes are oblate spheroidal bodies of 150 to 250 angstrom in diameter. Each ribosome is porous hydrated and composed of two subunits. One subunit is larger in size and drum-like in shape, while other subunit is smaller in size, occurring above the larger subunit, forming a cap-like structure. Now the meaning of S, as it is found 70 S type in prokaryotes and 80 S type in eukaryotes. So what is the S? Sedberg unit. Sedimentation coefficients of biomolecule is often represented as Sedberg unit or S. Sedimentation means the ribosomes are separated from the cytoplasm by sedimentations. It is sedimented at high speeds, then it is settled at the bottom. So what is its coefficients? For example, ribosome of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are of 70S and 80S types respectively. Mixture of biomolecule of cell extract is then centrifuged in a centrifuge. Various molecules sediment at different speed and time depending on their molecular weight. If molecular weight of compound is higher, then its Sedberg unit will be higher. Association and dissociation. As you have read, ribosomes are made up of two units. One is larger subunit and other is smaller subunits. Then these subunits are associated with each other, and when they disassociated. Association and disassociation of ribosomal S units. Both subunits of ribosomes remain attached in the presence of high concentration of magnesium ions, more than 0.001 m. If concentration of magnesium ions decrease in the matrix, both subunits get separated. Several ribosomes become attached with a messenger RNA molecule to form a liner beaded string called polyribosome during protein synthesis. Types of ribosomes on the basis of size and sedimentation coefficients. Two types of ribosomes have been identified: 70S ribosomes These are smaller in size and their sedimentation coefficient is 70s. Their molecular weight is about 2.7 into 10 to power 6 Dalton. They are found in prokaryotic cell of blue-green algae and bacteria, and also in mitochondria and chloroplast of eukaryotic cells. These have two subunits of 50s and 30s. Ten years disappears when they join and it becomes 70s. Here 50s subunit is larger and 30s subunit is smaller. 80s type 80s ribosome are slightly larger than 70s ribosome. They have the sedimentation coefficient of 80s and molecular weight 3.5 to 4 into 10 to power 6 Dalton. These ribosomes occur in eukaryotic cells of plants and animals. The 80s ribosomes have also two subunits, 60s and 40s. They are 10 years disappear when they associate with each other. The ultrastructure of ribosomes. Ultrastructure. Nenninga 1967 had been studied ultrastructure of 70s ribosome. According to him, 50s subunit of ribosomes is a 160 angstrom to 180 angstrom size pentra-angular structure. In the center of which a concave area of 40 angstrom to 60 angstrom size present. Flaredo have been observed a pore-like transparent area in the center of 50s subunit. Similar structure is also reported in 60s subunit of 80s ribosome. The smaller subunit of both ribosomes, 30s and 40s, do not have any specific shape. Messenger RNA or mRNA found in the center gap present between both the subunit of ribosome. A large newly synthesized polypeptide chain passing through a pore present in the center of larger subunit. This pore is called tunnel. Chemical composition of ribosome. Ribosomes are chemically composed of protein and ribosomal RNA. About 80% of total RNA present in cell is found in the form of ribosomal RNA. The ribosomal RNA and proteins may be of different types. Type of ribosomal RNA and protein in different subunit of 70s and NTS types of ribosomes may be the 70s type. 30s subunit made up of one molecule of 16s. 30s subunit, one molecule of 16s ribosomal RNA and 21 protein molecules. 50s subunit made up of one molecule each of 5s and 23s type of 5s and 23s type of ribosomal RNA. 50s subunit and protein is 34 protein molecules. 80s type, 40s subunit of 80s type. It has one molecule of 18s ribosomal RNA and 30 protein. 60s subunit made up of 5s, 5.8s and 28s. 5s, type of ribosomal RNA and 40 proteins. The functions of ribosomes. Ribosomes play an important role in the protein synthesis. Ribosomes are found in the form of polysome during protein synthesis occur at higher rate. Therefore, ribosomes are called as the protein factory of the cell. Microbodies are microsomes. Microsomes are spherical or oval vesicles enclosed by unit membrane and filled with fluid matrix. They are larger than lysosomes. There are three types of microsome found in the cells: peroxisome, peroxisomes were first seen in the rodent kidney. Rodent means like squirrel, rat, rabbit, but they are found in both plants and animal cells. They measure about 1 micron in diameter, bounded by single unit membrane. Matrix contain enzymes like catalysases and oxidases. Peroxisome take part in the photorespiration of the plant cells and lipid metabolism of animal cells. Spherosomes. Small spherical bodies with high deposit of fat, enzyme like phosphatase are present in them, but they do not show much of lytic activity. Their exact function is not known. Glyoxysome. Glyoxysomes are present in plant cells, mainly in seeds, which contain fatty acids like castor and groundnut. During the process of germination, they break down fat through glyoxylate cycles. Cytoskeleton. For the production of cell shape and motility, cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells contain three types of slender proteinous threads: the microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Thus, all these together are called as cytoskeleton. Microfilaments. Microfilaments are long, thin, cylindrical, rod-shaped, 5 to 6 millimicron diameter, composed of protein, mainly the actin protein. Association of actin microfilament with filament of protein myosin is essential for the contraction of the microfilaments. Microfilaments form extensive network in the cytoplasm. Some of them are in association with the plasma membrane on its cytoplasmic surface, and other extend into the cytoplasmic core of microvilli. Microfilaments are responsible for the movement of plasma membrane during cell mobility and endocytosis, contraction of muscle fibers, and movement of microvilli. Function of microfilaments: it forms cytoskeleton. It is responsible for cyclosis of the cytoplasm. It regulates different kind of movement such as pseudopodial movement. It regulates contraction and relaxation of cells and muscles. Microtubules. Microtubules in the cytoplasm of animals and plants. Microtubules are found at 7 sites: cilia and flagella. Centriole and basal bodies. Centriole is found only in animal cell. Basal bodies are found in ciliated or flagellated animals. Nerve processes: dendron and axon. Mitotic apparatus means the spindle fibers. Cortex of meristematic plant cells. Sixth position is elongating cells such as during the formation of lens or during spermatogenesis of certain insects, and in the exostyle of parasitic flagellated, in the exonyme of Echinosphaerium, etc. Microtubules are elongated, unbranched, cylindrical tube about 21 to 25 millimicron in diameter. Each tube encloses a light central core of about 15 millimicron diameter. The wall of the microtubule is made up of 13 longitudinal filaments, each a polymer chain of tubulin protein. Microtubules occur singles or in bundle in the cytoplasm. These radiate from the centriole to the peripheral parts. Functions of microtubules: it forms the skeleton of flagella, cilia, and the spindle during cell division. It forms a skeleton of the cell. It helps in maintaining the shape of cells. It regulates cell mobility and movement of chromosomes. It helps in cyclosis of cytoplasm. Intermediate filaments, third type of microbodies. Third type of microbody is intermediate filaments. These are slightly larger than microfilaments. Its diameter is about 10 nanometers. These filaments are made up of protein like microfilament, and microtubules means these are made up of tubulin proteins. Number of intermediate filaments may vary in different type of cells. Function of intermediate filaments: they provide strength especially to epidermal cells of plants.